Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Public Facilities. So, what do you understand? I hope the title of the chapter is very simple to understand. Can any one of you tell me what is the meaning of facilities? Not public facilities. We will talk about public facilities later on. I just want to know the meaning of the word facility. Who can
Ma'am, the
talk?
things provided by the things
Ma'am,
provided.
the
So
service is
the
given
things
to
and the
some
Things
service is
which are
provided.
provided by
Things
Some
the
provided.
service
service
is
is given to
provided also. Service
someone
is
who
Let's
is
given
say,
by
providing
someone.
someone
okay,
anything is the facilities.
yes. So
Some service is
facilities
provided are.
makes your work easier. You want to say that? Facility is something
Yes,
which
ma'am.
makes your work
Yes,
easier.
ma'am.
Clear? So facilities, in
Yes,
other
ma'am.
words, you can say these are amenities provided to make any work easier. Okay, it can be, can you give any examples of facilities that you people are enjoying? All of us are
Electricity.
enjoying. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, the
Electricity,
internet
Ma'am,
facilities.
electricity,
ma'am,
water,
internet
Internet
facility.
facilities.
internet
Facilities,
The
facilities,
water
internet
Ma'am,
facilities,
internet
facilities.
and
facility.
Electricity, water facility,
electricity
water
facilities.
Ma'am,
facilities,
the cars. Ma'am, the car,
cars,
the vehicles,
transport,
wheels.
the vehicles,
transport, you can say. Yes, very
transport.
good. Okay. So, see, these are the things which we use every day, electricity, water. We cannot imagine our life without these things. So, these are facilities. Now come to the word, why is it added public with it? So, now what do you understand by public facilities?
The
Ma'am,
facilities which
facilities
are
given to
given
The
to the
public.
facility
public
which is
is known
provided
as
by the
public
government.
facilities.
The
Public
facilities
facilities.
provided by the
Given by the
government.
government to the people is known as
By
public
Government to the
Yes.
people.
facilities.
Facilities provided by
facilities.
government is
The
called
word
facility.
government is very important here. When you talk about public facilities, the word government is very important here because you know public facilities and private facilities are different things. Clear? So when you say public facilities, public means it is open for all. It is open for all public. So if you are doing anything for yourself, that you will say that it is my private thing, it is my private property, it is my private facility, and I will not allow anyone else to use it. But when you talk about public facilities, that means it has to be provided by the government and which is used and enjoyed by all the people of India. When you talk about India, so role of government is very important in public facilities. Now, why private organizations, they are not providing facilities? Why only government is providing facilities? Can anyone tell me? Think logically. Why only
Ma'am,
government is
ma'am,
providing the facilities? Yes,
Because we
ma'am,
have
because we are
selected them.
paying taxes.
yes,
Ma'am, we are
very
paying
good.
taxes for them.
Yes, we are paying taxes back to the government. So when, see, government is providing us facilities because we are paying taxes to them. So that money which we are paying to the government, that the government is putting back on us by providing us facilities. So it is the duty of the government to provide facilities to all. Okay, all means it's not like rich and poor, but all should be provided the facilities by the government. Now private organizations, why they are not providing the facilities? Because we are not paying any tax to the private organizations. Private companies ko to hum tax nahi pay kar rahe hain na, we are paying taxes to the government. So that's why in turn these facilities are provided to us by the government. Now if you talk about private organization, so private organization will not make you roads. Okay, वो क्या करेंगे means if you talk about any private organization, then they will keep their surroundings clean. वो अपने ही आसपास अपना काम करेंगे, अपने roads बना लेंगे. If you talk about yourself, आप अपनी बात करो. If you talk about yourself only, will you make roads in the whole city without taking anything from the people? No. Why
No.
you should do so? है ना? आप क्यों करोगे? आप क्या करोगे? आप अपनी विसिनिटी में कर लोगे. इन योर एरिया यू विल मेक द रोड्स. आप अपने घर के आसपास पक्का बना लोगे. यू विल मेक द पेवमेंट्स, रोड्स अपने घर के लिए करोगे, बिकॉज यू विल बी बेनिफिटिंग फ्रॉम दैट. आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा उससे. एंड यू आर नॉट सो काइंड हार्टेड दैट यू विल मेक फॉर होल पब्लिक. Okay, so this is the difference lies here, that why government is providing the public facilities, because in turn we are paying taxes to them, and it is the duty of the government to provide facilities to all the people, right? So what are we going to study in this chapter? So in the very beginning there is a scene where Amu and Kumar, so there is a scene where Amu and Kumar are traveling through Chennai in a bus. Okay, so one girl and boy is there, Anu and Kumar. They are traveling through Chennai in a bus. As they go around the city, so as they are taking the tour of the city, they are roaming in the city, they observe the water facilities available in different parts of Chennai. Okay, so they are in Chennai, so they are traveling in a bus, and while traveling in a bus they have observed something. So they have observed that what kind of water facilities are available in different parts of Chennai. So you have to observe very carefully now. So some pictures I will show you, then you have to observe the pictures and tell me that what kind of water facility is provided to the people over there who are living there. So we are going to study the relation between water and people of Chennai. So there I'm showing you some pictures now. So you have to tell me that what kind of water facilities the people are enjoying over there. So before that, we'll just see that what is there inside the chapter. So chapter mein kya kya hai and what are we going to study in this chapter? So we are going to study first water as part of the fundamental right to life. So in the previous chapter I have told you right to life we have talked about. So which article is there for right to life? Which article provides right to life?
Article
Article
21.
21.
Article
Article 21.
Article 21 provides right to life. So in that we will talk about one new you can say one new aspect which falls under right to life, because in the previous chapter we have studied that right to food also falls under right to life, and right to livelihood also falls under right to life. So there is one more thing now that we will be studying. So then public facilities we will talk about. Then what is the government's role in providing the public facilities? Where does the government get money for public facilities? Now, so yes, so something,
From the
why are they
taxes.
doing so? So from where, yes, that also we will study in details, that from where they are getting the money for public facilities. Then water supply to Chennai, is it available to all? So these are the topics which we will be studying. Then in search of alternatives, some alternatives we will study. Then extending sanitation facilities, and conclusion, and at the last we will be doing the back exercises. So now, yes, so see these pictures. These are there in your book also. If you cannot see them in clearly, because some people are using phone, so maybe these are not clear in the phone, you can take out page number 106 in your book. Page number 106 in your book. There are 4 pictures of different areas of Chennai. One is Annanagar, second Sadapet, Madipakkam and Mylapore. So 4 persons are there who are residing in these 4 different areas, and in these 4 different areas there are different kinds of water facilities and how they are using water and how water is available to them, right? So in the first picture is of Annanagar, where Ram Gopal lives. Okay, Ram Gopal is a government official, is a government officer, and he lives in an area, Annanagar, which is a very good residential colony. And what kind of facilities, water facilities are available there? What is happening in the picture? Can you tell me? What is there in the
When the
picture?
car is being cleaned.
And the
Ma'am,
car
wastage
is
of
being
water.
cleaned by the water, and there is wastage of water.
There is
It's all getting wasted.
The wastage of water is
Is
there.
and it is a
wasted, and
private facility.
They get
It is
24
a
hours
private
supply of
facility.
water.
A private facility.
So you can see that this Ram Gopal is standing here and his servant is washing the car, and you can see the water is flowing so badly that you can say it is a wastage of water. Okay, so yes,
Yes, ma'am.
now see what
Yes,
is there.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
bungalows
Clearly.
here, yes, clearly it is a wastage of water. You can see here on the pavement on this inclined plane, the water is flowing. So water facility at senior government officials like Mr. Ram Gopal's colony. So what kind of water facility is available? Bungalows here have tap water for major part of the day. For major part of the day means 24/7 they have water facilities. They have access to water, means water is coming to their places. They don't have to go anywhere, and water is available in access that they can manage all of their activities of daily routine, washing, cleaning, cooking, all can be managed easily. Okay, means they are not facing any kind of problem regarding the water. Now on days when the water supply is inadequate, then what is the scene? Municipal water board and a water tanker is easily arranged for his house. So he is a government official that sometimes if there is a problem in water supply, so then he calls up to the municipal water board and he asks for the water tanker, and the water tanker immediately comes to his house for giving the water. So you can see this is one situation. Now you have to remember these situations. So senior government officials like Mr. Ram Gopal live in Anna Nagar, Chennai. This area looks lush and green with lawns maintained by a generous spraying of water. Generous spraying of water means the lawns are maintained by spraying water. And bungalows here have tap water for major part of the day. On days when the water supply is inadequate, Mr. Ram Gopal speaks to a senior official whom he knows in the municipal water board. Means he knows someone who is working in the municipal water board. So when there is shortage of water, he calls up that person, and that person immediately sends a water tanker for Ram Gopal, and a water tanker is easily arranged for his house. So this is one situation. This is one kind of water facility which is available in Anna Nagar, where this Ram Gopal is living, who is a government official. Now see the second picture. So now in the second picture, what is there? Water facilities at Subramanian's apartment. So Malapur. So Subramanian is a person who is living in apartment like most areas of the city. So now what is happening here? In this picture,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
there is a
water is
public
being
facility and the
transferred to
people
the
are getting
people by
water
the
and water tank is
water.
there
one person,
and
one
it
Water
is
person.
tank is
providing
here
water
and
to
water is
everyone.
being
Ma'am,
given
public
by them.
facility
Yes,
is there.
It is public
Public.
facility.
It is a
yes.
public.
It is no, it is public facility, right? But what is happening in the picture? See, you have to find the difference that though the water tanker is coming, but they are of the private company and they are charging the water also. It is not by the government. Means if it is by the government, then it should be free, but they are buying the water. So here it is a different thing. So this was the public facility here in the first one, where the tanker was coming and free of cost the water was given to him. But here you can say that water is bought. So water facilities at Subramanian's apartment, what is the scene here? This area gets municipal water once in 2 days. Okay, in 2 days, one time this water tanker is coming. Borewell water is brackish, so the residents use it in their toilets and for washing. Well, now what do you mean by brackish? Can anyone tell? Anyone knows what is the meaning of brackish water?
Ma'am,
So,
dirty water.
Dirty water.
exactly.
And
It is not fit for drinking, you can say. Means it has the salinity more than
ma'am,
the fresh
saline
water.
water.
No, less than the sea water. In between, you can say. In between, you know, at one side we have fresh water, which is perfectly fit for drinking. Then opposite side we have sea water, which is too saline to drink. Now brackish water lies in between. It is intermediate. It lies in between, that it is not too salty as sea water and not too less fresh to be drunk as drinking water as fresh water. Okay. So you can say that borewell water is there, means they are getting the borewell water, but that is not fit for drinking. Okay, that is not fit for drinking. That water is brackish. So sometimes what happens? Sometimes sea water is mixed with the fresh water. Sea water, fresh water के साथ mix हो जाता है under the ground. So that leads to brackish water. Okay, brackish water is intermediate between the fresh water and the saline water. So that can be used for the toilets and for washing, but cannot be used for drinking purpose. But if you can say this brackish water can be drunk in if the person is dying, means in if the person do not have any option, any other option, means he is dying because of water, then this can save the life of the person. But otherwise, in normal circumstances, it is not good to drink this brackish water. So borewell water is there available, no doubt, but the residents use it in their toilets and for washing purposes only. And for other uses, water is purchased from the tankers. Clear? And Subramanian spends up to rupees 500 to 600 per month on buying water from the tankers. Now he is buying water here, and for drinking water, residents have to install water purification system in their houses also. Means the water, filters which we have. Okay, so this is the condition. So one condition was in the Ram Gopal's colony in Anna Nagar, where the water is flowing like anything, means he has plenty of water to for all the purposes at home and at other places. That water is coming once in 2 days, and that too they have to buy the drinking water, and for other purposes they are using the brackish water. Clear? Now third situation you see. One more picture is there, that is of Muddy Pakka. Okay, so see what we are, I hope you are observing the different scenarios, the different situations, that how people are dealing with the problem of water. Somewhere it is flowing and it is lot of water is there for use, but somewhere it is shortage of water. Now third situation is there, water facilities at Madipakkam, and these are all the areas in Chennai. So these two children, Anu and Kumar, they are traveling in a bus and they are observing these places. So water facilities at Madipakkam, what is the scene here? Now what can you see in the picture? This is a game. Now tell me what are the things you
Ma'am,
can see.
there is one water
Ma'am, there is one bottle of water for drinking.
Ma'am, there are two bottles.
Ma'am, two bottles for drinking.
One on table
Water
and
for
on the
drinking.
floor.
They store water for their uses.
Ma'am, one
They
get bottles stored
buy
water for
bottles.
drinking.
Daily supplies
They
of
buy
water.
bottles.
storage.
They buy
Yes.
bottles for the water.
Yes.
They buy
They-
bottles for
This
drinking
is
water.
bottled water, and it happens at some places that people buy bottled water. Bottled water means big bottles are there of the filtered water. You must have seen at the function sometime that people buy big bottles of water and they use it for the function. But for the daily purposes also, buying the bottled water. So can you imagine how much means for you have to save some budget for the water only every month. Okay, that if the people are using bottled water, then their budget will be they have to save money for the bottled water also. So that is also one expense which has to be done. So what is happening? Water facilities at Madipakkam, where Siva lives. Okay, so Siva lives on rent on the first floor of a house. So Siva is a person who is living on rent. Okay, rent, I hope you know, rent, paying guest. So he is living on rent on the first floor of a house in Madipakkam and gets water once in 4 days. Means once in 4 days he is getting water. And shortage of water is one major reason why Siva can't bring his family to Chennai. So though he is his family is there in the hometown, but he cannot bring his family here because he is living on rent first of all, and moreover there is a serious water shortage is there, and he's getting water once in days, and for other purposes, for drinking purposes, Shiva buys the bottled water. So you can see here one bottle is lying on the table and one is lying here near the cupboard. So for drinking, Shiva buys bottled water. So this is also one kind of situation. Now the last picture, what is happening here? What can you see? Pratham, you
Ma'am,
tell.
there is one
Water
tap
is
and the
being
people are
There
standing
is
here.
one tab and all
the
are
people are, ma'am,
storing the
There's
carrying
water
water
one
from
and
the
common
tap.
tap
putting water
in
in the
people
bottles
are
and the
One.
in
Okay,
the
Pratham, you
utensils.
speak. Pratham, you speak. Pratham will tell. What can you observe in this
Ma'am,
picture?
there is one common tab and many people are having their containers to fill the water.
Yes. See, only one tap is present, and for there you can see that these pots are lying there in numbers. So if the number will come or not, that is also not sure. So from the tap, the water is coming only for a short period of time, and so many pots have to be filled. So whether the person will get the water or not, that is also not sure. So what will happen if there in these kind of situations? I think you must have watched in the movies also. In some movies, these kind of scenes are there, that what happened that if they do not get water,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
some ladies, they bully and they push other women and they go to the front. So what happened then? What is the result then if these kind of situations are there?
I'm fighting.
Ma'am, fighting,
Yes.
And
conflicts,
disputes.
conflicts.
Yes,
disputes between
fights,
people.
quarrels, disputes. Okay, so these kind of things will result, and you imagine that what is the reason? They are just fighting over water, पानी के लिए लड़ाई. So you can
Yes,
imagine,
ma'am.
you have to think
Yes,
that
ma'am.
we people are getting water in plenty for all our things, but there are places where there these kind of situations are there, and people, they fight with each other over water. Just you can say for one bucket of water, people fight with each other. So you can imagine what kind of frustration will be there in that area, in that among that people. So you have to observe all these things. You have to imagine. You have to look at the wider picture of the scenario, that what is happening around the world. So don't just be in your place only, that I am getting lot of water, fine. But imagine of other people who are facing these kind of situations in their day-to-day life. Can you take these kind of tensions in your mind? Because we people are working and you also are studying every day. If you imagine कि आपको अपनी मम्मी बोली आपको सुबह ना आपको पॉट लेके जाना है, वहां पे कुएं से पानी भर के लाना है, you tell me then, how would you feel? Can you imagine that situation?
Ma'am, very bad.
every day
No,
every
ma'am.
day you have to take a pot on your head and you have to walk 2 kilometers and you have to fill that pot with the water and come back, and that is your first duty in the morning. So just imagine the situation. So yes, these kind of things, and there it is there. So you should feel lucky that you have got this facility of water at your home. You should be thankful to God, and think of those children who have to do these things and they are deprived of the basic facilities which should be provided to them. So in the last picture, what is there? Water facilities at Padma's residence. So Padma works as a domestic help in Sadapet and lives in the nearby slum. So it happens usually in the slum areas, झोपड़पट्टी में जो लोग रहते हैं. So she pays a rent of rupees 650 for the hutment. जो उनका जो टेम्परेरी सा जो शेल्टर होता है, that is called hutment. So she pays a rent of rupees 650 for the hutment, which has neither a bathroom and nor a tap connection. कि वो जो hutment है, so जो छोटे से जो झोपड़पट्टी उनको मिली है, for that she is paying the rent also 650, and that has neither a bathroom nor a tap connection. Nothing is there. So what do they have to? They have made a temporary bathroom by just putting some yards boundary, and then they are doing their washing cleaning there. So for 30 such hutments, there is a common tap at one corner. See, for 30 such hutments, 30 लोगों की जो रेजिडेंसी है उनके लिए there is a common tap at one corner in which water comes from a bore well from for 20 minutes twice daily. Means morning 20 minutes and evening 20 minutes only daily, and that too for 30 families. So a family gets to fill a maximum of 3 buckets within this time. In 20 minutes may one family is able to fill only 3 buckets. Means they have divided the time that only 3 buckets will be filled by one family. So a family gets a fill of maximum of 3 buckets within this time, and the same water is used for washing and drinking. Now you imagine, it's 3 bucket, only 3 buckets of water a day, and that is for the full family. Can you imagine how much water we waste every day? So in 3 buckets, only 3 buckets, and in 3 buckets you have to do all the things. Can you do that? If I give you one task that you have 3 buckets of water for your full family and you have to do everything today in this, washing, drinking, cooking, everything in this,
No, ma'am.
then
Ma'am, no, it is not possible
No,
for us.
ma'am. It will be really very difficult.
don't say
No,
it is
ma'am.
not possible. It is possible.
For us, ma'am, for us.
For you,
Because we are
no,
not
you cannot say it's impossible, but very difficult. With very difficult situation it will be done. Okay, but we are not used to these situations. We are not used to, and it will be very difficult for us to live in these kind of situations, but people are living. So you have to observe, you have to think that there are different kind of people who are facing different kind of water facilities. So this is just to make you observe the different kinds of water facilities which are provided at different residents. Now you have looked into the 4 situations. At one situation, the water is available very easily. That Ram Gopal is a government official and he is calling up, and then water tanker is coming easily, and all the time the water is available. And then this Shiva is living on apartment, and he is getting only once in 4 days water, and he is buying bottled water. And Padma's resident, what is happening, that only 20 minutes twice a day, and there's a long line of buckets to fill the water. And then so these are the different kinds of situations, you can say different kinds of water facilities which are available, and these are observed by who are observing these things? What are the names of the children?
Amu and Kumar.
Ma'am, Ammu
Ammu
and
Amu
and
and Kumar.
Kumar.
Amu and Kumar are
Yes.
observing
Amu
this.
and Kumar.
Yes. So now see, the next topic is water as a part of fundamental right. So fundamental right says that you know your fundamental rights. So water is also a part of fundamental right. How? So you know that how we are linked with water. Can you imagine your life without water? Not at all.
no,
Not
ma'am.
at all. We cannot imagine our life without water, because there is a very strong link between you and the water which is used by you. So it is, you know, that essential for life. Water is essential for life and for good health also. And safe drinking water can prevent many water related diseases. So you know that if one person drinks contaminated water, so then there are lots of waterborne diseases which one person can suffer from. So water is essential for life and for good health. Not only is it necessary for us to be able to meet our daily needs, but safe drinking water, mute yourself, can prevent many water related diseases. So India has, mute yourself. India has, Meenakshi ma'am, please check who is unmute. So India has one of the largest number of cases of diseases. So now which are the waterborne diseases? So India has one of the largest number of cases of diseases such as diarrhea, dysentery and cholera. Can you, do you know about these diseases? I hope all of you know. These diseases
Yes,
are
ma'am.
caused
Waterborne
by
diseases.
Waterborne
yes.
diseases.
So these are
Diarrhea.
caused by contaminated water if one person drinks. So diarrhea is a kind of loose motions, and dysentery is, you can say, it is more serious problem than diarrhea. Okay, diarrhea is simple, it is loose motions, but in dysentery there is inflammation, swelling of the intestine is there, and that is accompanied with bloody diarrhea. So dysentery is more serious than diarrhea. Diarrhea is simple, loose motions, but in dysentery there is swelling of the intestine, and bloody diarrhea is also there. Okay, so then cholera, you know, it is also caused by the contaminated water. So these are waterborne diseases, and India has one of the largest number of cases. Why so? Why India has the largest number of cases in these diseases? The reason is that, what is the reason for these diseases? That these are caused by the contaminated water. So what comes the reason? That there the water, the level, the quality of the drinking water is not up to the mark, you can say. Okay, so
All people don't get the safe water.
yes,
Safe drinking
people,
water.
they do not get safe drinking water. This is the reason for these kind of diseases. So over 1600 deaths took place every day in India because people don't have access to safe drinking water. So over 1600 Indians, most of them children below the age of 5, because you know that children, they have weak immune system. So below the age of 5 reportedly die every day because of water related diseases, and these deaths can be prevented if people have access to safe drinking water. Okay, only that can be the reason. Otherwise, you know that what rate the small children, they are dying because of this these diseases, which can very badly affect the children because they have weak immune system, so they are easily affected by these kind of diseases. So what is there? That the Constitution of India, you know that the Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article 21. Underline this line on the second, in the second paragraph on page 109, that now, till now, in the last chapter I told you कि आर्टिकल 21 जो राइट टू लाइफ है उसमें राइट टू फूड इज देयर एंड राइट टू लाइवलीहुड इज देयर. Now one more very important thing is also added in the right to life, that is water. Right to water is also included in the right to life, because you know that without water life is not possible. So water, right to water is also included in the Article 21, that is right to life. So Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article 21. This means, so what is the meaning of this? That right to water is included in right to life. This means that it is the right of every person, whether rich or poor, to have sufficient amounts of water to fulfill one's daily needs at a price that one can afford. And in other terms, we call this as a universal access to water. So there should be universal access to water. So if I say that what do you mean by universal access to water, then you will tell me that it means universal access means it is the right of every person. हर एक इंसान का हक है, whether rich or poor, चाहे वो अमीर हो या गरीब हो, to have sufficient amounts of water to fulfill one's daily needs at a price that one can afford. So see, means getting the water is one thing, कि ठीक है पानी है, पानी is available, but getting the water at an affordable price, that should also be there, because you know that poor people, they cannot spend too much on buying the water. So that is why, that is the reason ना, अब जो poor लोग हैं वो भी तो shop पे जाके mineral water खरीद सकते हैं. Now what is the thing which is stopping them? क्या चीज उनको रोक रही है? That they cannot buy
water.
The price of water.
Obviously,
Price of
first
water is
of all,
out of
Very
their
high price
budget.
the water is
Yes.
sold in
So
the
first of all, they are surviving so hard. मुश्किल से तो उनका गुजारा होता है. Now if they will buy 20-25 rupees की जो 1 liter की आती है mineral water bottle, then from where would they eat then? So that is not, you can say that it is not affordable for them. It is, they cannot afford to buy the mineral water from the shop. So there should be something that government should provide. Government should provide the basic facilities of water, that is the safe drinking water, to all the people, whether rich or poor. Rich ki to problem nahi hai. Rich to that if there is water shortage, you can go to the shop and you can buy one big water bottle if you have money. But main thing is, main concern is of the poor people, because if you talk about these deaths, ye jo log mar rahe hain, and mostly why, who are dying? These are poor people now, who cannot afford the safe drinking water. Now why they cannot afford? Because their earnings are not so good. So for them, it is the responsibility of the government to provide safe drinking water at an affordable price. At an affordable price means that all